Suborno is fascinated by the complexities of government and politics and says he would like to run for president, specifically in the year 2048. I asked him when he decided that, and he said pretty much the moment he received that letter from President Obama. He was like, oh,
we did the math, it checks out 2048.
He decided that was the right age for him. That would be a good time.
I mean, he's got the brains to run now.
Well, that's what his dad was saying.
I love his bow tie. Does he dress like this for class every day?
I really hope so. So he actually taught a class in India.
But 2 divided by 0 is not defined. But why?
A very good question. There is actually a very common answer to this that I will just repeat. So, for example, if you think about numbers as they get smaller, like for example, let's say we have 2 million. If we divide it by 1, this will give us 2. If we divide this by 1 million, we will get just 2, right? But if we divide this by 100,000, then we will get 20. If we divide this by 10,000, we will get 200. If we divide this by 1,000, we will get 2,000, and so on. So as we get smaller and smaller, once we get to 1, we will get 2 million. And as the denominator gets smaller, the answer only gets larger and larger. So theoretically, the answer should be infinity, right? But really, then comes the question of what we call in math cardinality. I'm sure a lot of the pure math students here have heard of this. So basically, it's just the study of the real size of infinity. So, if this is infinity, what is 1 over 0? What is 2 over 0? What is 3 over 0? Are they different from one another? Should one be bigger than the other? What is 2 times infinity? Is 2 times 2 over 0 4 over 0? Or 2 over 0? Or what? So, we can't really definitively say that it is infinity either. So, instead we just leave it as undefined.
This would be FG parallel.
Seeing 12-year-old Suborno Berry break down advanced high school physics is one thing.
So I'll be going to university at NYU this fall.
But soon Suborno will start college, where he plans to, brace yourself, double major in math and physics. Going to college at 12 wasn't hard enough.
No, I mean, it's all in the pursuit of learning. The melting point, the boiling point.
As you can tell, the classroom is somewhere Suborno has always thrived, especially this New York high school that he graduated from this past June after jumping from 4th grade and 8th grade simultaneously to 9th grade and then to 12th.
The end result is so satisfying when you experience that moment where you realize, I'm able to handle these concepts perfectly.
Not surprisingly, Suborno has always been ahead of schedule. Both of his parents are educators, and his father, who teaches high school physics, says he ran out of science and math subjects to teach Suborno when he was 4.
An element of me being a good student, but him being a great teacher.
That's right. And during that time came some encouragement that changed Suborno's life, when he received this signed letter from then-sitting President Barack Obama commemorating Suborno for his accomplishments and hard work.
That was just an inexplicable occurrence.
Now, less than a decade later, Suborno will soon be commuting to NYU. And when you ask him the question, we're all probably wondering, what do you want to be when you grow up? Suborno says he, like his parents, wants to spread that love of learning.
I think that's the most valuable thing that everybody needs in their life, and I hope to be a professor that one day excites all of their students.
As like a guest lecturer.
And I love that he gave his dad props.
Everybody, this is Suborno's dad. My son graduated from Malvern High School at 12 years old. And he got accepted at NYU with full scholarship. Thank you so much.
And he has advice for all of us. Do what you do because you like it. More news next. Stay with us.